Here we go.
Hey,
Yeah.
stock plug investments. Let's go. Let me pull up these comments right quick. Should be live in like the next few seconds.
Let's get it.
Oh yeah, we live.
Oh, let's get it. Let's get it, man. Welcome back to Stock Plug Investments, man. What's good, y'all? What's good, man? Salute to everybody that tapped in today. Go tap in today, man. We got a good video for y'all today, man. It's some valuable information, man. A lot of people ain't really talking about this, so we definitely do y'all on this for sure.
Hey, bro, had to get me here today. I didn't even know what it was, man. This good information right here.
Oh yeah. Wait till y'all get this game, bro. I got a lot of stuff I want to show y'all today, man. I ain't gonna make it long or nothing like that, but this right here is some good game right here. A lot of people don't talk about. A lot of people don't even know about this, man. But before we get into that, man, you already know how we do, man. When we live, if y'all got some questions, throw them in the chat. We'll answer some questions during the live real quick. We don't got no problem with that at all. Also, keep in mind, man, it's all educational purposes, man. We not, I mean, we ain't out here giving financial advice. We just showing y'all what we see in the market, man. Getting y'all prepared, man. Make sure y'all educate on what's going on, man.
Yeah. On this channel, we don't give y'all stocks, man. We show y'all how to find good stocks or something so y'all can plug y'all sales.
Yeah.
Basically.
The Discord gonna give y'all the stocks.
Right, yeah, we're gonna get that going real soon too.
Discord, for sure. But today we're gonna be talking about the VIX, man, and how you use VIX, man. The VIX is a real good tool to judge like what's about to happen in the market. VIX is a real good tool to tell like what's going on, what could possibly transpire in the next 30 days for real. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it now because we don't want to stress this video out. Hit him with the definition, bro.
Yes, sir. All right, say this C word right here is pronounced both, but I ain't even gonna say it because I honestly don't even know what it means. But volatility index, the VIX, basically. What is the volatility index? All right, so it say the volatility index, aka VIX, is a real-time index that represents the market expectations for relative strength or near price changes of the S&P 500 index, SPX. Because it's derived from the prices of SPX index options with near-term expiration dates, it generates a 30-day forward projection of volatility or how price change, or it's a volatility or how fast price change is often seen as a way to gauge market sentiment and particular the degree of fear among market participants. So sum that up. Basically, what the VIX is for them, bro.
Okay, then. So a VIX, what the VIX is basically like it's like a snapshot of what's happening in the S&P, the S&P 500 index, and that's just like an index of a bunch of the top companies or whatever, and they got them all put together, and it's like one stock. So the VIX is like a gauge of what the S&P is doing or what is about to do. Wow. So like it said, like it focuses on the potential volatility in the market. And all volatility is just like how fast a stock run up or fall. You know what I mean? Like a good example would be like Tesla. Tesla got a lot of volatility. That stock can move $30 a day. Yeah. You know what I mean? That's a lot. That's a big movement a day. Or even Amazon. Amazon moves $100 a day on a good day. So that's a lot of volatility. And the VIX actually gauges the S&P 500, which is a good representation of the market as a whole. Because when the S&P 500 down, usually the market down. Yeah. So you can use this tool, which is the VIX, and you won't find this on Robinhood. The VIX is not on Robinhood. You can go on TradingView and you can find a VIX. And the way the VIX work is, if the VIX is up, the S&P is down, and if the VIX is down, the S&P is up. So they inverse of each other. You know what I mean? They're the opposite of each other. So let's show them that picture real quick, bro, that we pulled up of the S&P 500 and the VIX.
This is a perfect photo example right here.
Yeah, so
a little bit more so I can see this.
Okay, yeah. Some people might not know this, but the S&P 500 is a good representation of the overall market. You know what I mean? It's some of the biggest companies on the stock market. Out of the big companies on the stock market is down, the majority probably gonna be down. You know what I mean? It's gonna be some stocks that's still running, but the bulk of stocks is gonna be down. Yeah. And this picture right here is just showing you how these two is completely opposites, like they inverses. So the green one being the VIX, the one we're talking about, you see how when it pop up, when it run up here all the way, the S&P is all the way down here at the bottom. You know what I mean? They opposites. And then every pop that the VIX make, the S&P do the exact opposite. So that's why we use this VIX to gauge, like, okay, what's going on in the market, or what can happen in the future, because you can wake up one morning and look at the VIX like, oh, the VIX down, so I bet my stock's running. Before you even look at your stocks, you be like, oh, the VIX down, my stock's probably running. You know what I mean? That's how you can use this. But I wanted to show y'all, son. I wanted to show y'all a live interpretation of the VIX, man, because this right here, I just stumbled upon this today, and I think y'all need to see this, bro. I think y'all need to see this. Yeah, so yeah, we explained this already. Yeah, bro. You made it so I can screen share too?
Yeah, I'm about to do it right now.
Yeah, I gotta show them this real quick, bro. Real quick, man. It's a lot of game right here. So the VIX is a good tool, man, to gauge like what's going on in the market, y'all. You know what I mean? If the VIX is up, just keep in mind, if the VIX is up, stocks is most likely down. You know what I mean? So we don't want the VIX to go up.
VIX is down, stocks is up.
Exactly. Y'all see the tail end of this picture all the way down there, and the S&P 500 just took off. You know what I mean? So that's how we use the VIX. All right, so
it literally looked like a mirror, like a flip image, kind of like.
That's exactly what it is, man. And we did a video already about the market crash, y'all. We did a video about
that was like one of our first videos too.
Y'all gotta watch that, because this right here, this right here, what I'm about to show y'all right now, it just confirms everything we said in that video. It confirms everything we said in that video. So all of these is on the month, like this is the month time frame. So all of these candles is a monthly time frame. So what we'd do before we do anything, we'd chart it out. You know what I mean? So I clear my chart out so I can show y'all how I chart it. Boom. I'm gonna do it with y'all. We want the line. Boom. You see how I catch all of them at the bottom? Yeah, that's a good line right there. Let me make that little bold. Y'all need to see that. That's a line right there. And I got to be green. That's support. We want that. And then we're going to do the same thing at the top. Boom. We're going to find these high points, and we're going to find a line that the VIX respect good. You know what I mean? Boom. Look at this. It's a good line right here. Boom. And then that'll be resistance. So that's red. So y'all can see, this will let y'all know everything right here. This big candle right here is March, February and March, bro. Y'all know what happened in March last year. Y'all know, I don't even got to tell y'all. Y'all know what happened. Everything crashed.
Plummeted.
Yeah, everything crashed. And you see how the VIX ran up? That's how you use this. You know what I mean?
90 that day almost.
Yeah, and then if you peep game, look, at the very bottom last year. So that should have told people I pulled all my bread in December just off a hunch. I wasn't even looking at the VIX. But if I would have seen the December, bro, I probably would have put my bread, because it was at the bottom of the channel like this. It was due for a run up. You know what I mean? So, but look, you see in December how it's at the bottom, then it started moving up. You know what I mean? This people starting to get greedy. You know what I mean? This is a good indicator of fear and greed. So when people get greedy, the VIX, when people get greedy, that's when they get handed, that's when they get dogged. That's when they get spanked. Yeah. So, you know what I mean? The VIX started running up because greedy, then it got out of hand, and the market crashed. So look, in March, this candle right here, this February, it ran all the way to the top of the channel. Boom. So, you know, February is when it did the first dip. It was like February 28th when the market just slid. And then in March, it kept sliding. And you see how the VIX ran up to 85, bro. That's an all-time high, bro. Oh no,
Yeah.
not an all-time high, but
Oh,
it's
it
up
ain't.
there.
Oh, that was
It's
in
up
oh
there.
08. Oh,
90,
yeah, oh
yeah,
08.
96 is the all-time high on the VIX. You know what I mean? And that's '08. We know what happened in '08. The market crashed. Look at this. '08. We ain't even got to guess for '08. You
That's
know
a
what I mean?
hammer candle too, ain't it? Right before that big jump.
Yes. Yes. You
I mean,
talking
it's
about this
time to
one
go
right
to
here?
work, bro. Taught me that.
Yes. There you go. There you go, bro. See, we're gonna give you all
Really?
this in the course, man. We're gonna give all that in the course, man. Yes,
Most
that's exactly
definitely.
what that is. That is a hammer candle. And that means it's going up more. You see
Yeah.
one of these candles right here? That's a hammer candle, man. You know what I mean? That means it's going up more, and that's exactly what it did. You know what I mean? So this is another time when the market crashed bad. You know what I mean? '08 when the housing market crashed. Everything was ugly in the market. And then another good example would be '01. We know the dot-com bubble. You know what I mean? It
I
got
see
real
that.
ugly then. Look at that.
Yeah.
Boom. Right. 98
Top of the channel.
up there. You know what I mean? Even 2001 ran up again, you know what I mean? 2002. So this is a good indicator of what's about to happen in the market. But what I want y'all to see, what important here is this right here, y'all. Watch this, man. This will let you know what's really going down, bro. Watch this. We're on a monthly time frame. Y'all know how in the last video I told y'all about AMC and how it was following the downward trend, and once it broke out of that trend, it had to go one way or another, either up or down.
Yeah.
What we got here, y'all? Here, y'all. If it ain't the same exact thing that's happening on AMC, y'all, it got to go one way or the other. One. Which way you think it's gonna go? And what you think gonna happen when it go up? When it run up, the market is sliding, bro. We
Yeah.
told y'all the crash was coming. It's coming. Don't hesitate. That it's coming. Like it's about to get.
And it's plenty of other reasons to back that why it's coming too. Like it ain't just the VIX that could tell you that it's about to go down too. Like a lot of stocks is overvalued. Like
Yes.
a
Yes.
lot of stocks, like so many people is in them. Like, and that's not even the real value of the company. Like, so
Right.
that right there can tell you that like the market is about to go down soon. Like,
Yeah.
stocks don't just keep running and continue to run. Like
They don't. They got to cool off.
Pull back.
They got to pull back. Got to pull back. So y'all see how the VIX is sliding down. Yeah, it's gradually coming down, and that's because all last year people was making money crazy in the market, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Everything was cheap, so people just started buying and making crazy amounts of money. But bro, it can't sustain that. It gotta pull back. You know what I mean? VIX pulled back, and the stocks ran up last year, and now the VIX about to run up. Stocks gonna pull back. In the long term investors, they gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna tell y'all to wait too. Like, get small positions right now, man. But we gonna wait for this crash. We gonna wait for this boy to spike up and run up to 40 again. Once it break 40, look, let's put a nice top on this, a nice resistance real quick. We want a horizontal line. Look at that. It hit this. It hit 50. That's a full-blown crash. That's a full-blown crash. It cracked 50. The market's crashed.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what it did in March. You know what I mean? Exactly what it did in '08. You know what I mean? It was touching borderline 98. Same thing in 2002. Like, these are big indicators, y'all. Like, this will tell you what's going on. So we see where it's at right now, y'all. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy, man. The VIX telling you right now is ready to run up.
Yeah.
Man, go be greedy. If you got to get a stock right now that you know it's a good company, it's a good buying price, just get a small share.
Yeah, just have some buying power on the side, just in case.
Keep that buying power ready for this.
That's all you really need is the capital, man. Like, you got the capital, you good, man. You know you're gonna have some extra cash, or you got some extra cash, throw in the market whenever it go down or whatever it do. You're gonna be good all around the board, man. We're gonna get our Discord going, and we're gonna explain to y'all how you can make money in a red market on a red day.
Yes.
Stuff. So,
and it's actually a little easier to make money in the red market. To me, it's easy. I like it actually, because it's kind of easy like to tell what's about to happen or what's going on in the next 2 days, because
Right.
but
Yeah,
that's for the course.
like I said, stocks don't just continue to run, man. Like, so
They definitely don't.
make money on it going down, man.
They definitely don't, man.
When they do go down, them bitches drop.
Yes.
It go down for real.
Look at the bull flag on that, bro. Oh my God, bro. I need to niggas need to hit this, bro. Like for
Solid
real.
bull flag too.
So you know what I mean? Just know, like, man, don't be surprised when the market crash in a few months. You know what I mean? It's probably gonna happen this year. It's probably gonna happen this year because it ain't far from it's all time. I mean, from its support line down here at 12. It hit 12, it's bound to take off something stupid.
Yeah.
For real. Like you see right here on this candle, it had a low of 1142 in November, and then it just started running up since then. So it's still falling. It don't got to come all the way down here before we rip. You know what I mean? But just know, like, we want to get our chips ready for this fall, man. It's coming. Just be prepared for it. We ain't about to.
I know that it's coming because stocks bounce back so fast after that Corona. Like, come on,
so crazy,
like
so crazy.
Like everything, it ain't no way. Like
everything,
like, bro. Come on now, bounce back within a few months. Like all them technology stocks is just crazy overvalued right now.
Yeah,
it's stupid. You gotta pull it back.
That's facts, man. They gotta pull it back, and this run up. We're gonna be able to buy all our favorite stocks for cheap, bro.
Yeah.
We're catching anything on sale. Apple, Facebook, Tesla, Microsoft, Amazon, everything gonna be cheap.
That's gonna be the real value of the company too. Like or undervalued probably for real. But.
And that's where you find value in these companies. Like when you get low like that and you buy it, bro, you can catch a $200 move.
Yeah, no. Hey, remember what is it? Trapper? He hit that. Who was it? Chipotle. He was waiting on Chipotle or something.
He kept it
down. Man. He said he was waiting on that for a little while. Wound up coming down all the way to like what was it, 200, something like that.
Chipotle, I think it went down like $400, $450.
Yeah, now it's backed up to like 12
in like a month.
Yeah, like Chipotle bounced back crazy, man.
In like a month, bro. Wow. So that's what we want that. That's what's coming, y'all. If y'all be patient. You know what I mean? Keep your money in your account and just waiting for the fall. You know what I mean? Yeah, savings account, cool, but put your money in your brokerage account. So when you catch a good sale that's about to hit us,
ready.
Catch that sale, you ready to unload the clips. You ready to buy 20 shares of something dirt cheap because you know it's running back up. Because you know it's a good company.
And you can go check out the VIX just to make sure.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Once the bricks, I could show you a good threshold to tell you, like, all right, this is getting like it's getting real in the market. I say like right here, like at the 20. When it head back up to 20, I'll get real scared. I get real scared. If it breaks resistance right here at 20, we can even make it tighter and put it right there, 24. If it break 24, you don't really need to be holding nothing. You shouldn't be full position on nothing. You scaling back your positions. You know what I mean? If not selling everything to wait for it to run all the way up.
All I got is dividend stocks in my portfolio, man. We're going to be talking about dividends this Thursday, too. Make sure y'all tap in.
Yeah. And this would be a good time to buy dividends when everything falls.
Yeah,
these dividends head to the bottom of the channel. We buying them at the bottom.
Yeah, I bought in on a lot of dividends right after the election, and that was the perfect time to buy. Like literally, every one of my dividend stocks is up right now. Like I can't find one that's probably down.
Yeah, like, and you eating, bro. Like this we want to teach y'all, man. We just wanted to show y'all, man. Don't think it's all sweet in the market. Right now, the market is greedy, bro. Yeah, everybody feel like, oh, I can make money in the market. I can make money in the market. Yeah, you can, but if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna get your head knocked off, bro.
Yeah, that's why we don't give y'all stocks, man. We teach y'all the game so y'all can find good stocks, man. Period. Like a lot of people on this YouTube platform and just come on YouTube and pull up a stock and be like, oh yeah, it's ready for a buy, this, that. But in reality, man, like you gotta look at the whole market overall. Yeah. Like when you buy one stock, you also gotta look at the whole market, man. Right now, stocks look like they're gonna go down for real.
So right here, this is the heat in the S&P.
All that red, man.
This what it did today.
Yeah, I know.
This what all it that red like today in the market. Yeah.
I mean, look at technology. Almost every Technology stock was down today.
You just said it, bro. Everything, tech got to come down. Just like you
Definitely.
said. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be some stuff. Look at energy, green. You know what I mean? And these
Right.
different stocks and sectors run opposite of each other.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So even though stuff gonna be down, everything ain't gonna be down when the market crash. Some stuff still gonna be running.
Right.
I mean, but like it might be like a few sectors down, and that's holding the majority of the weight down on the stock market. You know what I mean? This is the S&P 500, and these stocks hold like big positions in the S&P 500. These big,
Right.
these bigger ones is like the bigger positions, but these are the 500 stocks in that. So you know what I mean? You can see like it ain't all green no more. It's starting to cool down. The tech starting to slow down. Communication starting to slow down. Like financials doing what it's doing. So just be weary, y'all. Like, just know, like, the market is not sweet, bro. The market is looking to take all these new people in the market up top. That's how you put liquidity in the market. That's how you able to pay out money to the people that did the right thing.
Right.
You know what I mean? They take money from the people that don't know no better. They buying it at the top. Then when it crashed heavy, they take all that money from them and give it to the people that knew what they was doing.
The hedge funds
that knew what they was doing got out. Or they did the right thing. Yeah, hedge funds gonna eat. They gonna eat. And we're gonna teach y'all, man. Like the course coming ASAP, we're gonna teach y'all how to make money when it's falling. Yeah. It's really easy because it's falling.
So right. Eventually hit.
Yeah, man.
Eventually it's gonna pull back.
Yeah, like witching is coming up. Witching was Friday. Witching is this Friday, and then the next witching is in September.
Let them know what witching is for the people that might not know what it is.
Real quick. Witching is when certain contracts expire. So witching happens every 3 months. It happens 4 times a year, and it's when long-term contracts expire. You know what I mean? So if I wanted to buy a long-term contract 3 years out, the latest date they're gonna give me right now is either January of 2023, March of 2023, June of 2023, and in September 2023, I think. It's one of them days, but them is the only dates you're gonna get for them long-term contracts. So now when that time come up 2 years from now, them contracts have to be sold. Now you gotta lock in your profits. So now you're gonna sell that and the stock gonna fall. That's what witching is.
Basically, like for the people that was betting on Apple 2-3 years ago, now every 3 months or so, every quarter, their contract is ending on something. So they forced to sell that contract
and lock in them profits. You know what I mean? And that automatically makes it stop.
And really, that sound right too. That sound about right for the market to go down. Like it makes sense. A lot of people probably bought in on calls last year when the market was down. Like 1 year calls out probably, and this year stocks gonna go down around which, and I feel like, man,
that's the name of the game, bro. That's the name of the game, bro. You buy them at the bottom, and you can buy shares or contracts at the bottom. And you get long term. You hold the shares long term, and you hold the contracts long term. And when they hit this, or they getting close to your expiration, you sell and you lock in your profits.
Yes, sir.
And you out the way. You know what I mean? And the people that don't know no better, they buying it up here, thinking it's gonna run up. It might run up a little bit, but when it falls, it's gonna fall way faster than it ran up. Way faster.
+%, man.
Yeah. So that's what the VIX is, man. We wanted y'all to know this, man. Like, this is a big signal right here that the market is a lot of people getting greedy. And when you get greedy, you get slaughtered, bro. Don't get caught up in that massacre, man. You can't sell all your shares. I'm saying if you got a lot of big positions and you got a lot of profits on them positions, start locking in some profits. Start selling some.
I did that today a lot.
Yeah.
I locked in a lot of different profits, man. Like a lot of different big companies I sold out on. Boeing. Yeah. That's one of them. I sold out of Boeing today. No lie.
So look, I want y'all to see this before we get up out of here. Y'all, I don't want y'all to think that trend line's just like fluke or nothing. Look, we can do this in 08. It did the same exact thing. 08, boom. Same exact thing, then it popped up. You know what I mean? You can put the line right here or either right here, either one. You know what I mean? Boom. Then soon after it ran up to the top. You know what I mean? Even right here. Same thing. Boom. You know what I mean? '01 did the same thing. Like it followed these patterns, y'all. And I want y'all to see this probably one of the biggest one. This one of the bigger ones. Like this crash might be worse than '08. I could see this crash going past this all-time high.
Yeah, me too,
I
man.
can see it going past this all-time high, and that's gonna be crazy, man. Because it's so many new people in the market that don't know what's going on. They don't know this about to
When that
happen.
money start leaving the market, it's gonna start leaving it rapidly, like
Yes,
for
rapid,
real. Like, and it's gonna
rapid,
be a
man.
lot of it too. Like, if y'all think about it, a lot of people getting free checks and all this free money coming in. Like, that's just money for the market. And if you don't know no better, you're gonna pull it right out as soon as you see that your stocks is down. If you're a new investor and really don't know, you're gonna
Yeah,
pull all that right out. And them
facts.
times another 100,000 people that's brand new in the market,
Yep.
that can make the market move for real,
Yeah.
man.
Plus the hedge funds, they know this already.
Right,
They
yeah.
got
So they
people that's
probably
looking
already
at
starting
this
to
every
short
day.
stocks.
So they been selling. They
Yeah.
been selling. They been locking in profits. Like they talking about the S&P 500 making all-time highs, NASDAQ making all-time highs.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
Yeah, it is, and you should be worried.
Yeah, for
It
real.
ain't gonna
Hey,
keep
a lot of
doing
my
that.
dividend stocks reaching all-time highs too. Like
Yes.
Prospect Capital, for example. I'm like, bro, like it gotta come back. Like I was scared for brother Bob. I'm like, bro, even though it's gonna pay you every month, bro, but
Yeah,
like it just
you're
been
right.
running. Like,
Yeah, yeah. And you should be worried, man. You're right.
yeah, for
Don't be
real.
greedy. You know what I mean? And some of them profits. So when they do come down, you already know. I done secured the bag already. I don't care whatever happened after this because I done at least took my money out that I put into the play.
All right,
And I probably took a little extra out. So whatever
for the
happened, this house
profit.
money.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
This house money.
for real.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You got shares, so it ain't going nowhere. You ain't got to worry about it. You can re-enter when it's at the bottom and make more this
Right.
time around.
Exactly.
You know what I
Exactly.
mean? So that's how we play that. Just keep your head on the swivel, man, because this stock market is a dirty game, man. If you don't know what you're doing, man, they're gonna serve you up. Don't get served, bro. Get plugged in. We're gonna show you what to do. We're gonna teach you how to do this on your own, man. That's
Yeah.
all we want to share this knowledge because we're gonna make millions off of this. Whether y'all do it or not. I'm gonna make it off of this.
Yeah.
Bro gonna make it off of this. That's
Definitely.
facts.
Definitely.
Ain't nobody guessing that on that. You know what I mean? I don't care how much
I'm
bread
trying
I
to
lose.
tap all my people in, man. I
Yeah,
ain't asked for no money, no none. I literally just want y'all to learn this,
yeah,
man. Like I'm gonna
yeah.
make my money in the market. So
Facts. Facts.
I ain't worried about none, man.
I just want y'all to eat with me. For real.
Definitely. For
But
real.
I'm gonna slide up to that table and eat. I can
Yeah,
lose
most
anything I
definitely.
got, and I'm still gonna be in the market because I know
Yes,
it's up.
sir.
I
For
know this is a
real.
trade that you know what I mean. Once you lock it in and know how to do it the right way, it's
Yeah,
endless potential.
for
It's
real,
endless
man.
potential, man. So I'm
And
locked in.
hey, somebody probably watching this probably really better than me with stocks for real. That's why I
Yeah,
like to tell people about it because you can not know nothing about the market, and as soon as you learn something, you can just be a dog with it. You can just be a
yes,
straight ox, like better
yes,
than us for real, for real. Like it's all about how you chart your stocks, what all information you look up on
yeah.
different stocks and companies and stuff like that. So
Yep.
yeah, man, you can be
Been
really
studying
good
that.
at this, man. Just try it at least. You feel me?
Yes, yes. It's a lot of ways to trade, man. A lot of ways to make money in
Definitely.
this market, man. We just
Yes,
showing
sir.
y'all some ways and giving y'all the knowledge. Y'all won't be out here just blindly guessing on what to do, man.
Right. Just
Know
watching
that
these stocks.
when the market crash, probably in October. It probably gonna happen in October, no cap. When it do, we're gonna send this clip out. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. For the
We
people
told
that's
y'all.
watching this, man, I hope y'all listening up, man, paying attention,
We
man.
told y'all
And it's
so.
not financial advice. We're not telling y'all to go sell everything
Yeah.
and wait for everything to drop. It's not financial advice, man. We're just telling y'all different information that we know.
And
You
y'all
know what
see
I'm
the
saying?
history, man. Traders go off of history, man. You see it.
For real.
Boom. Slid, then it popped up. Slid, then it popped up. You know what I mean? Slid, what's next? It's about to pop up. And when this
Yeah.
pop up, the market is down. That's exactly what it means. So we actually went over the time we wanted to, man. We
Yeah.
appreciate everybody that chat, man. Just remember, man, this ain't financial advice. This is strictly education, strictly for entertainment purposes, man. We love all y'all, man. Everybody that rock with the brand, man. We building the brand up. We making something here, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
for
mean,
real.
and we just trying to inform our people, so we ain't the only one out here 5 years. You know what I mean? This ain't no rush. We ain't quick to get the bag. We gonna take our time, build this wealth the right way.
Yes,
And
sir.
5 years from now, when we out here doing it real big, we can say we brought some people along with us that ate with us and that move and that can move with us because they can afford to do it. Because they took this information we gave them for free and they used it and made a fortune off of it. Because that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
That's exactly what we're gonna do, man. Appreciate everybody that tapped in, man. Most definitely, man. Make sure y'all following the Instagram page at Stock Plug Investment. Make sure you like this video if you feel like you got some good information out of it.
Share it to
like
somebody that might want to see.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Hey, if y'all got some stuff y'all want us to talk about, like in another video, y'all can put them in the comments and we'll pull them up. You know what I mean? We can go over stuff like that too. But yeah, man, it's all love, man. I appreciate everybody that tapped in and is gonna watch this later too, for sure. I gotta get down to my wife and kids, man. They on me.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We're gonna be back on here on Thursday talking about dividends. Make sure y'all tap in. That's gonna be some valuable information as well.
Facts. That's facts.
Yeah, I'm gonna post a little quote today for y'all on the Instagram, so y'all can check that out.
I bet.